Storm at a man from near Shidium in the Sutifi South District ripped off the roofing of about 57 buildings, including 2 churches and a poultry farm. The family of Prince Adom Ajimai was the worst affected. The farmer was hiding in his room with members of his family during the rains when the cables of an electric pole snapped and fell, electrocuting its immediate surroundings in the process. As they attempted to find out what was happening, the 10 occupants got electrocuted. Only 3 survived. Prince Ajimai was one of the 3.
Why not yet to a true, why not yet to a true tea? Some of whom in Sue, Tin Sabelletry Farm and other, I cut down, was carpet in a piano. I could go one side. Decided to be a big job one thing. Name can't be pay and one, a pajama, the machine. I don't know. I'm forced to sorry to say, I pajama better anymore. To better one, I'm sorry, Madame Natchez will mean a bar. I can't more boom white on my best iron gating.
Those who lost their lives include the children of Prince Ajimai, 5-month-old Ejenim Boateng, 2.5-year-old Emmanuel Ajimai, and 14-year-old Simon Ajimai. The sister-in-law of Prince Ajimai, Miss Janet Kwateng, as well as her sister, Miss Betha Braye, and wife Rebecca Kwateng. The Director General of NADMO, Nana Ajimai Prempe, therefore visited the town to sympathize with the bereaved families. He was accompanied by the Ahafo Regional Minister, Mr. George Boachi, and the national, regional and district NADMO officials. They were welcomed by the Chief of Amanfrom, Nanaya Boachi, and the bereaved and affected families. Nanadma Prempe sympathized with them on the incident.
Mwakakra ibetimi aboamu no na nipa ne be num so akoda hospital afi na yayi wo mu nti seskai 200 million 20,000 o mampanyin say nadmofo enyina na nem ne fa seskai mbra meso mwasene emeboamu bi.
On behalf of the President, the Director General of NADMO presented cash of 20,000 Ghana cedis to the bereaved families and the injured. The Chief of Amanfrom, Nanaya Boachi, thanked the President for his prompt concern and response. With more rains yet to come, the Ahafo Regional Minister, Mr. George Boachi, had some advice for the indigents and providers of electricity.
If there's enough distance between the two, this wouldn't have happened. So my advice to the VRA authorities is that they should leave enough distance between the houses, so that in case there is any disaster, it will fall on the ground instead of falling on houses.
Thank you very much.